G'day everyone, welcome back to Speech Investing. This is the US crude oil price update for December 14, 2022. As you can see here on a daily chart, the CCI has been in a downturn for some time now, for a few months, in alignment with the 4-hour chart and the hourly chart. Now the hourly chart has finally broken to the upside since our last update, but I wouldn't be going long anytime soon. I'd like to see the 4-hour chart get closer to its moving average and break upwards and start moving it in a bullish direction before taking any short-term long positions. But at the moment we're far off from going long, possibly take further short positions if the hourly starts breaking down again. But what we may see here is a bit of a resistance. If we draw a couple of trend lines, let's just see what sort of resistance there is. So there's a major resistance area there along those bottoms, it's about 76.30 levels, and that's hitting that's where it stopped at the moment, and it's bounced off that. So I probably want to let it rise above there before going any further. Likewise, if we draw a channel here, let's draw a price channel between those lows and highs. You can see there, even if it breaks that key resistance area, it needs to go higher and break out through that descending channel to be a bit more positive in a short term at least. But again, avoid longs at this point until we see the 4-hour at least have consistent highs, and then especially if the daily starts going in a more bullish direction, then we might be able to take some more confident long positions. But at the moment, take shorts only if the hourly breaks to the downside, and very carefully take longs, especially if the 4-hour CCI is in a bullish direction. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.